Hey there, this is Casey Gray from The Conscious Builder, and today we are sharing another project that we're working on. I'm here to share with you a smaller than usual project, at least usual in terms of the projects that we've been sharing. So this gives you a little bit of taste that we don't just work on larger homes, we also work on some smaller projects as well.
Interest in the house really comes from hoping that we will be able to make positive changes to the house from an energy point of view as we think about our footprint for the future. But in addition to those type of green concerns, we have just the physical layout of the inside of this house, which has a few shortcomings, and we are looking to change that to make the house more workable for the way that we would like to use it. We have Jane Wilson helping us with that, and I got the chance to meet Jane and see her own home on a Green Energy Doors Open tour, which really interested me from an environmental point of view, and really very struck by Jane's vision, but also Jane herself.
It's a beautiful backyard with wonderful plantings and a steep, beautiful hillside, which is rocks and trees, and this is all right near the center of Ottawa, so it's really an exceptional piece of property.
What we're looking at doing is to make our front entryway more spacious, to make our kitchen have a layout that allows more people to move around within it, because we have lots of family on both sides, and so we are looking for that to be a space that's easier for people to move through, and to open up the living room, dining room area to the outside. That part, the actual changing of windows and things like that, that will happen probably in the late summertime. For the inside, we have some walls opening up or changing location, some different flooring coming down, probably changing a fireplace wall that has a brick veneer, and we're looking for something warmer.
We thought about taking out the brick, and when we did, and the Conscious Builder team did some investigation, we found out it's probably better not to take it out. So in essence, we'll resurface it, give it a softer, more natural look, and that will allow the whole living space where they're arranging their sitting space to feel a little friendlier, to be able to not be so crowded by the large brick firewall.
Why were they giving them a lot of? Oh, sorry.
We went through a couple different options. IKEA is a good option for cost purposes, obviously, but we're not just doing all IKEA cabinets. We're actually just doing IKEA boxes, and we're having the doors and drawer fronts made by a company here locally. And that gives us a little bit more customization in terms of making it look a little bit different. But we're going to share a video on that coming, so be sure to subscribe to that, and we'll share some tricks with IKEA and how to install and so forth, and we'll show you what we can do by doing just IKEA boxes and this custom door company. Some other cool features that we were talking about, some details are still up in the air, was going to be like a live edge island put in the kitchen, and live edges and live edge wood. And we were at one point even looking at counters made from rice husks. So we haven't really nailed down the counter yet. Obviously, we're looking at options, and it comes down to what the homeowner wants. And there's also some potential work with regards to reclaimed wood the hardwood that we took off might be reused around the fireplace. They're not going to use the fireplace anymore, but might be reused around there. You should see like some of this hardwood is like 14-foot hardwood pieces. You just don't get that anymore, but like solid pieces of wood going that long. And anyway, so that's some of the good things that come out of these old houses sometimes, when you get those solid pieces of wood that you can reuse, which is not always possible, obviously, but we try to do what we can where we can. And at the end of the day, everything is custom, and it's up to the homeowner to make those decisions. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe, because we will be sharing the IKEA kitchen install on this project, as well as our net zero cottage that we're working on, titled the 3-Day Cottage, and our net zero home build coming up here in Ottawa as well. I hope you're staying safe and you're healthy during these times. As you can tell, I am in my own home recording this, and I've basically been here for the last 3 weeks, sitting right here doing a lot of stuff like this. But we are healthy, and my heart goes out to everybody. So be safe, be healthy, and we'll catch you on the next video.